Black Stars team no sab man to me jai sika no mo sign with team no so no mo kwashi team like that. They need to close that team.
Weni na ekasen. Ghana Black Stars weni na ekasen.
Me Penyah say Black Star mo qualify for World Cup no cry ma mo ko okruma. Me Penyah.
Abuza comedian no so asem no enya ye kese. TikTokers no ebuofu Ghana Football Association and the Ghana Black Stars team no omu kire mu a. Sesi am no say dissolve team no. Ghana Black Stars team na ball man ni ka hunu enti dissolve no. Only say FIFA World Cup 2026 qualification e koso. Na Ghana ene chat ekosi akan ene. Chad ya say ye group 1 ni mu obia e hye no. Ghana hwenya mienim ene chat akobo draw na eno ana code Micky ene Kobiji ene other TikTokers omu say ya hene ha. Omo nti ase. Se Ghana asay omu bet enti ene wo ba ke komadwe mpa kire Black Stars. Ay obi esiniti o. Aha Penyah Brock Media. Best one say need you. Obe like video no other my boss subscribe button. Somebody click verification icon for latest updates. Na be chere wa adwen dem ame e wo comment section. Best one so baso anu a share for so enya bi ahwe. Etu nyina unim say FIFA World Cup 2026 qualification e koso den I say Ghana ya bomb matches ni bia na Ghana no ye group 1. Na group 1 na team a ewo emu enie ye wo Ghana, ye wo Comoros, ye wo Madagascar, ye wo Mali, ye wo Central African Republic and ye wo Chad. Ya bomb matches ni bia I say as it stands today no ya bought 7 games. What I say? Ya bought 7 matches. Now out of the 7 matches no Ghana team are winning emu 5 and ya lose 1 and ya draw back. Now draw ene de ene Chad edikosi akan. Chad ekoboy Chad no so a Chad we bought 7 matches. 7 matches no already back we say omo no musie nyina no obi ahye no. We lose 6 ene Ghana team wa tournament ni mu obia hu no fa no or tafrin za bele no ye ne Chad akokon tipenkon ye ne Chad akokon etipenkon. This was how the match went on. 60 minutes and Jordan you etim ebogo ema Ghana
Jerano Poku ene Jonas Ajeteno
Original FM
Omo wa bruta Inaki William Krabo de Black Stars Kudus Mamma Contobo of Ray Tabosunum Kudus Mama Betmachana 2 against of Kudus a chance a goal. Hey goal.
Later na Ghana the team the diagram and conference abete game no. Oma bete eno do ba group 1 mu a Ghana and lead with 16 points but am supposed to be enough Argentina Chad tournament ni mu obi ahia Chad o hye no adena Ghana nkwan ne Chad ko draw how say leading team a group ni mu team a we the most weakest obi ahia na wo hye no na ye leading team a wo mu no ye ne ko draw de say na de ma manfo obu afu nyina budget I say ye ne Chad match ye ko born ne ye no budget e ba bon say leaky ye ema ye hu ye. There was an estimated budget versus approved budget. It out of the estimated budget no eniama anka ye gitumu a sika anka ye ko waste Chad na ye ko bobo ene no sika anka ye de cover board nyina ene enie flight na anka de airco no na anka ombo ho ka $300,000 per diem 16 plus nyina obi a per diem $150 per diem 27 officials na room ka ho no obi a per diem $200 accommodation in Chad players and officials obi a $250 incidental expenses just say out of bibia kwesi obi akonya fracture obi bibia kwa happen sika omo budget yan ko solve that issue no $60,000 meals in Chad just say aduane a omu ebedi ni ade wo ho no no ya budget $80 for obia enenko mu kobobo no $80 bonuses for players $10,000 bonuses for head coach you kobobo ni onkobobo ni wi a coach for no bonus wa ye de be ma wo mu $20,000 Bonuses for assistant coaches. What I say, assistant coaches, so you more $10,000. Bonuses for team officials, as you that $10,000. Bonuses for team doctor, physio, video analyst, psychologist, and also $10,000. Bonuses for kids officer, welfare officer, dietitian, also $8,000. Initially, no nanka, this was the budget here. That person almost a deco. And we got two penny for so much budget that Washington. The budget to any. The benefit what national budget for moji true mono. It's the almost estimated budget no. Nanka nini na besi $1.2 million $39,000. $1.2 million $39,090. And this was the approved budget. It approved budget. Now say charter flights in there. And that's what they're done $300,000 and one. Per diem for players $150 now. Per diem for 20 officials the same thing $200 now. Accommodation in charge $50 now per person. Incidental expenses no. NSOT from 60,000 to 20,000. What I say? And a mess in charge no the same thing. Bonuses for players NSOT from $10,000 to $5,000. Bonuses for bonuses ni nyina no be also to 50%, 50%. What I say? And bonuses for team officials omo cancel no no free mu. Bonuses for doctor, physio and video analyst and also tip better $4,000. And bonuses for case officers and other things better $4,000. I say o kambo mu a. Now budget na omo de kwa na ya prove no. Eno $841,290. Dollar as I speak today call the budget the dollar 12 cedis. 12 times 841 290. That is 10,095,480 Ghana cedis. 100 billion. This is Ghana 100 billion. And then is and then no one match per umkobo Chad. A car Ghana a born a home and no 100 billion. Omu koye so oman kobo hwe. Chad ya team bia shada o share no Ghana ye na kobo draw. And I have game no so a. O game no so a. Na easy chop for Ghana because Chad dey obi a share ni bi. Ara say obi a share Chad. E di Ghana go share Chad ya go tafle no. E jama for do bet ni na egu so e ko pesika. Omu se segu so ana busa apaska Ghana for akodi nkwase asem. Blast team akọ nkwase abo. Omako jimi o park de so. Ama yi nyina yitiate. Na eno ana for comedian so code Micky obi am pe betting o pe betting zero code Micky wo pe betting zero bia ye dina martin nsunu mo edi code Micky eno onu am tiktokers o ma dwa o mkire mu say he ye dissolve blasters team na nkasa ye here team yo Ghana bi ye mobo obi abi ye dissolve team no
me donya me say Black Star mo qualify for World Cup no kra ye ma mo ko okruma me donya me ke bo demonstration ene kan nipa bewu yes can edit ya mo kawo me donya me say mo qualify for World Cup no kra bia ma mo ko no okruma na mo visa ya jimi ana asesen woni child e ko bobo woni ska budget a de ko budget ni ya read say ya can kind na ma o in dollars o convertible cedis a mo use almost 130 billion for budget when a child e ko bo one game o when a child e ko bo player papa bia ni ho now I qualify yes mo ko World Cup now what the budget saying na be ko mon kan che say en two free man ni na mpanfo ne footballers ne mon fa man no adan ya kukuru ska we ya budget yen ka ho asem yes mo nko mo we ni amon ji winning bonus mun nyesei na so nya kakra mfa ntonsuo no na ya invest kakra 12 pesos so akobo wan wo charge wo bia me ka park asem wo ha na Ghana park papa bia ni ha bia me ka park asem mun pia ntimi nkyere na enya wo Ghana ha wo ye sika na edi tua mo ka sem ngena mo nkobo na wo ne chanti brekum Chelsea kura na ne charge ebo a nkobo kwa akobo wan se brekum Chelsea na ne charge ebo na coach nka ho supporters nka ho omo fa ka ene free brekum ha e de ko charge kura nti nko omo win game no chale ni amo ya de say ya brem me say World Cup mo qualify kura Ghana nkobi ti mo na ye be wo bia obaji free 3 points ko yentimi megimi wa ha hwe
we ni na eka sen Ghana Black Stars winning na eka saying. Hey, so you people there, you don't know the comfortable lead. Chad, common Chad keke Chado. People wait them for play plus Ebusian dwarfs. Between Chelsea and things. You are playing draw with them. It be the World Cup with a goal. The World Cup with a goal. It be in this so. From the beginning, you people have played goals about manche. See the way the people are rejoicing. They've understood that the World Cup they don't go. But the draw that you have given them, no, bro, it's more than World Cup.
I'm telling you.
From the beginning, you take the ball play, you take the ball play from the beginning. You are playing ball like it's four corners. Just score more goals, Keke, and be safe. This be what they carry go the World Cup. Just because we are at the top of the table, you think that we are done. We have qualified.
You don't know.
They there. Now we all day here, Monday. Things say you are playing home. You see what they'll do to you.
Black Stars team no sab man to me jai sika no mo sign with team no so no mo kwashi team like that. They need to close that team and we will be okay as Ghanaians. Team no omo team o din omo ye wicked dodo. Currently we are say ope team back ekuta the best attacker Black Stars can. Tiaden. Oh Semenyo Antoine Semenyo currently look EPL ni mo na one of the best attackers e be boss Semenyo din. Uwo Kudus or call Tottenham or unlocking your team. They say, oh, but Tottenham are only more team in your Kudus. Uwo Inaki Williams, Atletico Bilbao, or a top notch striker, Fatawi Saku, Uwo Jordan Ayew. And the game no or starting nipa for me bomodi. Inaki Bobby, Semenyo Bobby, Jordan e Bobby, Kudus e Bobby. Only Chad ne kwakobo. Chad your group no. My main first statistics be N2 Jancho. Group no Omabo. Obiabo 6 matches. The na Ghana and Chad na babo 7. Before any match, na Chad about 6 matches. I was losing na. Uwe goal difference. I was share goals no I share back up. And we concede 15. The matches our Bobia se no group ni. To aba this whipping team our group ni mo. Our Ghana African Cup Black Stars and qualify. Musi yankan ya nuntum na World Cup ne hu hia. Na o kocha no the whipping ya okopoko 3 points na wako akwa drop points wo odwene ho a onti ase enti Chad team ni team ben a ono no obi a hye no ba Ghana akora ye ne boy Ghana hye ne 5 afi ye nyina say World Cup ni the way ya twin group ni mo no ye kwa no obo so mbe ye ne sei sa na aboye nyina so ntumi wa no nkasa Chad ho no mo call ma me nkyere budget e wom minister no be ye press yi e mo the budget be to abontene Sena baby e kone nyina enim say ye nti omde budget ne kura buy na obi a se onye dede GFA ne de come aban no 2 million ne koy e no mo ye so o ma slash so aba till the final approval stands at just over 1.3 million dollars ti eno na omo aban ni approve enti Chad we no omo ko ball we no omo ko ball no fun sa no yes say $856,890 $856,890. Akara bi na do 1 million. O run up $900,000. Trip game na e ko ball ne no. A players gina game mu. Ase bibia form once Ronaldo ni Messi na eba Burundi ya be ball. Ase bibia na so. Adia ye nim what is at stake say group no nyame boa it me call Mali e ko share o monti. Say ya win we ya match na Mali be born Ghana na na form. The way no the yesh we call your helping team or group ni ma obi a no think ho na ye kwako ensure say nka first half ya both team no obi a dane robot adane Messi Ronaldo no mo gina mo ni Burundi na e bonti player no kra ka wa mpe 50-50 ball bi udmu say player bi ekọ wa jemu na ball ne ko chese on percent no obek what mindset Ghana adena ye team mu na ebi no play ebi no wicked say I didn't know the amount qualifying and say a bit more life in Yama be because Nipa go to US one why you had the opportunity be any on the way I am medium with mama a bit my son in Yama just do it we are paying you do it never to anymore yet your cat or some ban why you say in time where Blasters team no oh almost of a place in Yanoma task me said secretary bi anim aban ma me hwe me nam system ni mo mongra tudu enwura areas na me nipa 11 the enko share charge for now telling you say 1 point no mo nya I can do better than that this 1 point I can do better than this 1 point so bi wano a emie And more chini papa so I mean say or more lead the team no coaches nim penny for no family or my mona I force that they don't mean that and how yeah coach GFA executive committee and they are thinking about them. These are present things that can reflect the realities and create opportunities for the grassroots, but they won't do it. They think about them. No more journey. Any opportunity be a fee a dear a mubabe a high near pay we be an den near pay we be an tawi. Say the SC say no Malina, you have a bono a gun and I'm a bon a crana. Now the unnecessary pressure, just win this one a cool chop and have your freedom. No walk some super level be robotic behavior be some level be oh my brother. To a year koi. Your football no mean you can count through a condemned to the condemnist. A crack to the cracks, highly condemned. Damaging you have here, but they will not let you say it. You see a dear name free Yamina. It is now see and just a matter of time. African Cup, Young Kobe. Where cap na ye nyina ye bompa this ye ni malidie say no on be yiri mo ba ya na atoa fa because Comoros no dey kire no very solid a move Mali no so hia ade no na wanya na fala African Cup mobi the pressure on ba ko bono pressure kura ma wo so today is the time I say mo taking near my lady 1-0 I say wa she be 10-0 as wa she be 10-0 I don't know. So amunya obia kasa kire wo ho say ye DNA sisa. We have a coach Kosi Apia doing magic in Sudan. And so the be show on be gagi up ama Kosi Apia no nya liberating freedom cry enya juma. Unya the peace enya juma. And a team na yire ni muguasi akesi and air team no. You play with Chad. Ghana echo game then is 1.15 less than 1.2 because we are seeing all market and the Black Stars is pulling the victory because I here Chad na Bama ya shell 5 into what has changed. I always say Bono Krabi on me that's what game. You are playing 4 attackers, you are playing Semenyo, you are playing Naki, you are playing Jordan, you are playing Kudus. What is the problem? What is the problem again? What is the problem? What is the problem? Adena moto a yaw mani power my musa aden. Jobi ko tua tax crowd wonya akomano infantry because utua nyema na say no mo de kwa koye be den wonya free heart e de tua de no. Be bom my you in charge yes e bia oni Morocco bi kwa na e ko boni aka say o chale team nya hye ye Chad. What is the excuse? At the ball, in a ball, I saw a bet. Why is the problem coming from my lord? A year you must share one. I'm a cotrated grass over baby. I do it. It's the day in your own day. Nanya in a malimrana, it makes you draw cry. No more ya. Just said you much and it's also G. A banipa side. Venipa F plan ahead. If you don't crack or you am card on join the supporters, you know, I say, you need a year in fape, your next year born. I will work off you and Kai Hona, their build on travel history in Yama. Or Munya who's a old planet, a journey, escape from the hardship, and also much choba. To find all diabolic means to pull you back. Go and Louis so with me, Janice, and old Johnny Wine of a servo. Oh, Johnny Wine of a share in a boss. When over bound over land the airport, I be July and boss, yes, sir, boss, Barney 5 City, boss, wine bear sardian. Boss make a drink water wine bear sardian. Oh, corner could the woman wine bear sardian, and the time will be I ever plan be ahead, no. Some pet tactical means be a punish nipper. Why?
Why blasters? Hey! If you they watch the game between Ghana and Chad, like how Kudus passed the ball, give Jordan Ayew for him to score. Today, yet in a one my Chad so kauno 1-1. Hey blasters into the benda pana today. Able to make ball away and yet to win match. But I don't don't understand. See big players like Mohamed Kudus, Thomas Partey, a lot. You can mention them. How come? This year I'm going to watch and what to call them as this year weapon born. Why? Mombla, this year Ghana and Mali. I'm over born next week. Say Berina, Nyame. Hey, Blasters, Ghana Blasters.
Blaster for. Someone namu de mu Jimmy ne mu kwase asem ne sa baby mu a mu Jimmy ne mu kwase asem na mu sa de baby mu a e betete nipa koma wo Ghana ha wo ye ne mu ni yo kwase asem na mu ni pedi ni sa no obi a wo bobo a wo lead 1-0 enye se ho mpo wo bo away. Secondly, table chart ne krampo no points ni said anya de bi mu twi bi asa. So the high possibility say Ghana bot draw. Na say yesa lusu bear 2 matches and na say ye bot draw 2 kwana. Na other opponent ni wini a. Ye lusi no. That be say ye lose opportunity to qualify to the World Cup. Wako Chad Abraham was 5-0. Wako question 1-0 every relax as if say you have scored more than 3 goals. What kind of nonsense is that? Because semena mutu amudi amu pesa mudu amana judi agrosa no. Ah, e dey kwa Samson no. Adaboni enimba ye nimushe. E dey Jimmy semena mutu am pesa mudu
really wanted Chad to, equalize. So this is what we call football. So this is what we call the Black Stars of Ghana. You see, from the start of the game, from the blast of the whistle, it is very clear. Ghanaians, we don't care about anything. We don't care about our national team. We can't do anything about it. And the football people, so no Otto Addo. Look at the players, aside the coach. Fine, let's talk betting matter. If you went in as a Ghanaian because you know Chad will be a smooth game, we will beat them at least 2 goals plus. Chad handicap 1, you give Chad 1 goal, straight win for the Black Stars. Enumponi. We start the game and then we see some glimpse of good passes. The Black Stars, we get the first goal. Then we go off. We just sit back. We pass. The center back needed the same. Ajete Annan and then Nicolas Opoku. They keep on passing the ball at the back, slow pace. It's like nobody's talking to these guys aside these 2 people. Let's back Gideon Mensah. Wasan papa Gideon Mensah. The ball Gideon Mensah today played. See, we dey play some every day for Medina Zongo Park. We dey play some for Baoleshi. You see, you are playing against Chad. They scored only 2 goals in 6 games in the World Cup qualifying fixtures. Only 2 goals. So against the Black Stars of Ghana, we won against them in the first leg. That was 2-0 away. Home runner. And now we are playing the away fixture. Instead of us to take this as a golden chance to implement a system, a style of play. It's not TV radio so Otto Addo, and now we are going to play agro football. Where you agro football? So what you say? Instead of you to implement a system, today Inaki Williams was looking so isolated. I don't know, say Inaki no boys no Mugela. Oh, after Inaki, they don't pass him the ball. Nobody cares about Inaki. Nobody. Why? Antoine Semenyo, if that ball was against Liverpool, Penyah, you score. If it's about FP or Penyah, you score for people to get points. You are wearing your national colors, the Black Stars of Ghana, and everything looks so awkward. You guys are playing as if you don't know what we call simple attacking football. A whole Black Stars of Ghana. Me, sports Zlatan, I'm not a professional footballer. We just assess the game, we analyze, and then we talk football. Sitting in my room and I'm just tapping my leg, my bum, and I pa. Do you know why? We get the ball and you see a clear-cut chance that no, we have to swing the passes maybe 1, 2, 3 into triangles or squares. Then or you see Elisha Usu, no pass here by Chiripa, na Ejeto and then I was like, Charlie, Otto Addo, what's up? Otto Addo on the coaching course wing. Let's put that one aside. Substitution don't happen. Kamadin Suleimana comes on. Onyabola. No achia. Defender ni bejina na fu wajina. No assign. No konechi. Say why? Like Kudus, you dey play for Tottenham Hotspur. We know how you attack with the ball. You are playing against Chad from the blast of the whistle. Chad. Omukrom kamponchi no munyen. Da be na Chad ball. Da be na Chad e ball. So the best thing we could do as a football nation, we keep on calling ourselves a football nation. Meanwhile, we are just historical giants. The Black Stars is dead. Me, I'm not even ready. See, Penyah, I want like CAF to ban us. We shouldn't qualify for it. Make them take 1 point, give other national teams like Mali, Comoros, Lesotho, or Sao Tome and Principe. Because Ghanaians, we like, I don't know, say a self-esteem, say We don't respect ourselves. We don't know how huge our legacy is. We don't respect the magnitude of the name, the Black Stars. Once called the Brazilians of Africa. You hear Ghana, and we want to qualify for the World Cup. Oh, Muncho, we want to qualify for the World Cup. Oh, with this sort of football, what are you going to do? Do you know our standard? Our standard should be competing in the semi-finals of the World Cup, in the quarter-finals, or even in the finals, because we've been there before. We've been there before. But Ghanaians will be like, we want to qualify. Meanwhile, you know, with this ball, cha-cha-cha ball, with this time ball, when you go group stages, you won't even win a game. You won't win a game. Aden. So aside Otto Addo and the Otto Addo is on a learning curve. Because if you really understand the magnitude of the Black Stars, if you really knows what goes into coaching the Black Stars, nobody will pick the Black Stars and then give it to a learner, someone who was a player's trainer, even if he's a coach or a manager. The CV, Otto Addo CV is not rich to manage the Black Stars of Ghana. Put that one aside. Even if players who are not professionals, professionals, when they have the ball, you see the desire, the energy, the game intensity, because they want to score, because they want to do something. This is the Black Stars of Ghana, for God's sake. This is the Black Stars of Ghana. When they get the ball, Chad. Not Chad, me coming to Chad. Na bibini come here. Ye chabro tira no mu here. Africa, ye try your national team so na mo ball 1-1 against Chad. Do you know the meaning of Chad? Do you know the meaning of Chad? Teamwork. You see, let's put everything aside. You talk about coach, players. These guys you are playing against Chad, and you've committed 15 fouls in your own half, defensive errors. 15 against a side that struggles to create a chance. Why? Oh, the Black Stars of Ghana, no. We don't have to go to the World Cup. See, we will be like, you people will go and add to numbers. And then we will send dollars. We will send monies to the national. Why? Aden. Oh.
Ubeto aturewaje amame. Ewo comment section. Penyah Media. Accra.